was born, but what actually happened to make me come alive? I was learning about it in school today, but I still don't quite understand.
Well, Martina, lucky for you, I have just improved the flux capacitor so that we can go back in time and figure out how it happened.
Cool, so what does that mean?
It means that we are going back into your mom's ovaries.
That's a little bit creepy.
Well, science is science, my friend. So let's get this baby to 8 miles per hour.
So, Doc, where are we going?
Your mom's ovaries during January 1997. The cells have just finished interphase and are about to enter prophase 1.
All right, let's go.
Yeah.
Wow, so we're inside my mom's body now?
That is correct. Oh, and look, one of your dad's sperm cells seem to be swimming by. Let's go say hi.
This is kind of gross.
This is gonna be you, so try to have an open mind. Hello, Mr. Sperm Cell.
Hey there, Doc.
Wait, you two know each other?
It's a long story. Great Scott, I have to get back to the future to feed Einstein. Come back when you're done, Martina.
I will. So, Mr. Sperm, tell me what's going on here.
Yeah, we're going through prophase 1. In this stage of meiosis, the DNA coils and the spindle fibers appear. Also, the nuclear membrane disassembles.
Right, and doesn't synapses occur? Like when each chromosome pairs with a homoglob?
Ha 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 ha, no, that's a homologue.
Right, and when the chromosome pairs with its homologue, tetrads are formed, and then the chromatids twist around each other, and genetic recombination occurs because new genetic material is being made, right?
You're right. Hey, look, there's part of an egg cell. Isn't she cute?
Adorable. Anyway, what happens next?
Hey, Eggie, come over here. Eggie knows about meiosis 1, too.
Oh, Mr. Sperm, you're flattering me. Let's see, what are we up to? Metaphase 1? Oh, that's easy. During metaphase 1, the tetrads line up in the middle of the cell that's going to divide, and spindle fibers attach to the centromere of one homologous chromosome, and the fibers on either side attach to the other chromosome.
Right you are, Eggie. Our child is gonna be a genius.
Hee not in front of the kid, Mr. Sperm.
Anyway, what happens after metaphase 1? Doesn't that go into anaphase 1 when the homologous chromosomes move to the opposite sides of the dividing cell?
Yes, and the separation of the homologous pairs is completely random. That is called independent assortment.
That's what makes the genetic variation in offspring.
And then what's after anaphase 1?
Why, telophase, of course. During telophase, the spindle fibers disappear and the chromosomes go to the either end of the cell.
But don't forget the nuclear envelope reappears.
Right you are, Mr. Sperm. Then cytokinesis begins.
And then in the end, meiosis 1 makes 2 new cells with 1 chromosome from each homologous pair. The new cell has half the chromosomes as the original cell, but each cell still has 2 copies because the cell copied its DNA before meiosis 1.
I'm impressed. You're almost as smart as my child will be.
You have no idea how accurate that is. Hey, what's that noise?
Oh, that's this human's favorite movie, The Sound of Music. She laughs, she cries, she prays, she sings, she dances, she gets angry, just like her hormones are literally raging.
I bet. Well, hey, do-re-mi is
In prophase 2, spindle fibers form and move chromosomes to the middle. In metaphase, chromosomes move to the midline. The chromatids face opposite sides of the cell, and they separate and move away in anaphase. So we move to telophase. In each new cell, there is a nuclear membrane, which forms around the chromosomes. In one new cells, there is
Kinesis, which happens in 4 new cells. Now there's only half the chromosomes. This happens in me, in myself. This whole process is used to make gametes.
The gametes form in reproductive cells. In males, the creation of sperm is spermatogenesis. In girls, spermatogenesis makes egg cells. And these haploid cells combine to make a diploid baby cell. Baby cell.
Wow, that was great. Now I know all about meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Thanks, Mom and Dad. I mean, Eggie and Mr. Sperm. I should get back to Doc. I need to get to 88 miles per hour, though.
Yeah, in the mitochondria. It'll give you enough energy to get back.
Sounds good to me. Thanks for all your help, guys.
No problem.
Have an excellent day.
For all your help today, Doc. And you too, Einstein. I am definitely going to pass Mr. Zhang's test now.
Where we're going, we don't need tests.